In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to forward a domain in Hostinger. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. To begin, sign in to your Hostinger account and go to the dashboard. This is where you'll manage all of your domains and hosting settings, so make sure you're using the account that owns the domain you want to forward. Once you're on the dashboard, open the domain section. That will surface all domain-related options and give you quick access to your domain list. From there, go into your domain portfolio so you can see every domain you've registered or attached to the account. Locate the domain you want to forward and click it so it's highlighted. You want that domain selected because the forwarding settings you're about to change will apply only to the highlighted domain. If you have many domains, take a moment to confirm you've chosen the correct one. With the domain selected, find and click on Domain Forwarding. This opens the forwarding options for that particular domain. Look for Manage Domain Forwarding and open that. In that section, select Add Domain Forwarders. This is the specific action that lets you define where visitors should be redirected when they reach your domain. After you choose to add a forwarder, click Continue to move to the next screen. A small window will appear prompting you to enter the destination URL, the web address where you want people to be redirected. Type the full URL, including the protocol like https to avoid errors and to ensure secure redirection when needed. Once the destination is entered, click Continue again to finalize the setup. The system will save your forwarding rule and apply it to the selected domain. Depending on the platform, propagation or caching may cause the redirect to be effective immediately, or it may take a short while. If it doesn't work right away, give it a few minutes and then clear your browser cache before testing. A quick tip: double-check the destination URL for typos and confirm that the target site is live and configured to accept redirected traffic. If you ever need to change or remove the forwarding, return to the same domain forwarding area, edit or delete the forwarder, and save your changes. That's it. Log in, choose domains, open your portfolio, highlight the domain, go to Domain Forwarding, manage forwarders, add the forwarder, enter the destination, and click Continue to finish. Thanks for watching. If this helped, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.